Hey guys, today I'm Jaron, and I decided that we're going to be doing every single solo that I know. I don't know, I just came up with the idea today, and I thought it'd be really fun to do, so yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it. And we'll be starting with I've Just Seen a Face by the Beatles. The next one I'm going to do is Gold on the Ceiling by the Black Keys. Now, Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. Next, I'm sure you've all heard this one. I've got In Bloom by Nirvana. This next one is the last one. It's also my favorite one. It's my favorite song and my favorite song I can play. But this is a really fun solo. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. This was a really fun one to make, but yeah. Hope y'all are doing well. I'll see ya.